In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2v2 in CS2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Because of an update that was released some months ago, you can finally invite your friends and easily join the same server together, meaning that as long as you and 3 other people are on the same party together, when you join any 2v2 map, you will be able to play together. So, first of all, go ahead and invite your friends. Whoever is going to be hosting the server just needs to click on everyone else and choose the option to invite. Everyone who is invited is going to get a notification just like this one. So as you can see here, this is an example. They will be able to click play game to accept this invite. And once they accept the invite, they will load up into the lobby or the party immediately. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this in full because I don't have 3 other people to help me record this. But once you have everyone on the same party, whoever is going to be hosting, go over to play, and you can choose from any of the standard maps. So instead of going over to matchmaking, go to practice, and in here, just set up the parameters. So you can choose any map, you can enable or disable these options here, and as long as you choose casual, deathmatch, arms race, competitive, or wingman, you will be able to load into the map with all 4 of you who are on the party and start doing 2v2. Alternatively, go over to the workshop maps and you can download 2v2 maps. Just click on visit workshop and in here browse through all of the maps. Keep in mind that most 1v1 maps should also work flawlessly for 2v2, so just pick whatever you prefer. As long as you join any of these workshop maps while everyone is in the party, so you have 4 people including yourself in the party, you go ahead and join, you will be able to play 2v2. So the bots should already be gone, but if you see any bots, just open the console and choose the option to kick all of them. If you still need to enable the console, just look for developer console here, make sure that it is enabled, and then you can press the respective button to type bot_kick. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2v2 and CS2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.